So Samsung just hit us with some updates on the Z Trifold, at least for the North American market. The release date is January 30th, and the price tag, let's talk about that price tag. It's $2,900. That is extremely high, higher than I thought it was going to be. Now I know it would be expensive, but I didn't think it was going to be almost $3,000 expensive. The Z Fold 7 started at $2,000, so it was obvious that this was going to cost more, but almost $1,000 more than the Z Fold 7? That's just extremely expensive for a smartphone. And you might be thinking, okay, Jonathan, everyone buys these phones through their carriers, so you're gonna pay a monthly price anyways. The installment price is just gonna be $20 more a month than a regular smartphone. Wrong, because Samsung said they will not make this phone available to carriers, and it's only gonna be available directly through Samsung.com. So you're gonna have to pay $3,000+ with tax for this Trifold. That although it is very cool, it's gonna cost you more than a cheap used car. Not a very good car, but it's still a car. And think about what you can buy for $3,000. This is what blows my mind. Maybe you are a Samsung fan and you just want everything Samsung. You can get a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a Galaxy Tab S11, and a Galaxy Book 5 Pro and still have money left over. Or maybe you're an Apple fan. You can get an iPhone 17 Pro, an iPad Pro, and a MacBook Air for just a couple $100 more than one Z Trifold. The point is, the Galaxy Z Trifold is very expensive. Now I get that there's nothing else like it out there. Carrying a 10-inch tablet in your pocket everywhere you go is something kind of special, and I appreciate that, but the value is just not there, at least for most people. You have to be made of money or just a super nerd for tech to want to spend that much money on one device, which I am a super nerd for tech, but I'm still having a hard time. It hurts me to consider getting one of these things. Honestly, in my opinion, just wait a few months, see if Samsung drops that price a bit. Samsung has dropped the price of the Z Fold 7 recently, and from time to time they'll probably continue to do that. And here's hoping they do the same for the Z Trifold, because in all seriousness, it is expensive, but it's a really cool phone. And it's something that I would definitely want to carry with me on a daily basis, but my kids gotta eat too, so yeah, this phone will have to wait. I made a whole video of my first impressions when I was able to take a hands-on with this phone. I'll leave that in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And let me know what you think. Is this a phone you would want? Is the price tag just way too high? Let me know with a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.